looks like Sean from Hermanville is holding. What is your question this evening, Sean?
My question is, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay. My question is, I was rear ended from behind out of a low impact. When nothing broke, but I was just shook up real bad and feel sore. Do I have a case?
Thank you
Okay.
for your call.
All right, so Sean, I think you may have a case, and you said it was a low impact, but what I've found in doing this for over 20 years and what the insurance companies know that I know is low impact and not a lot of visible property damage doesn't mean you're not hurt. It's really about more of what your body does in the car, and if you wear a seatbelt, if your neck goes forward and goes back and you snap it, you can have a very severe injury. It's why they make those bumpers safe at 5 miles an hour, because people have died at 5, 10, 15 mile an hour crashes. What I suggest, if you're starting to feel some things, your body, you know if your body's normal, you know if you're hurting, you need to get to the doctor. You need to get to either your primary doctor or to the emergency room, and you tell them you were in a wreck, you tell them that you got hit, and let's see how this progresses, because here's the thing. If you don't go now, and then in a month your arm goes numb because you got a herniated disc from this impact, the insurance company from the person that hit you is going to say, oh, it must be some other cause because you waited a month before you went to the doctor. Don't let them do that to you. Go ahead and go now, get it checked out. I hope you're fine. But if you're not, you will have taken one of the first important steps, which is immediate medical care, or care as soon as possible after a wreck.
All right. I hope that helps you out there, Sean.